Okay, so we have a light bulb here that is burnt out on the driver's side here, and I'm going to show you guys really quickly how to change that out. To get to that light, you're going to have to take some of these retainer clips off, and they're just located around the perimeter of the trunk, and then you're going to have two of these guys right here that are going to require a star bit or a T-bit. Remove the gray retainer clips, just take your little flathead and you just wedge that back up underneath there, and you'll just pop those guys right out. Get access to the light bulbs, simply just press down right here on this guy, and when you do that you can pull that out and you'll see you have two light bulbs here. We'll just change out the one that is burnt out. When you go to change out your light bulbs, they will not illuminate until you have the housing snapped completely into place here. So whenever you press that up, you'll see that the lights will turn on, the light bulbs will illuminate, you're good to go.